A king ruled over a small state called Nilpur. He was very kind, wise, and just, earning him the title of the wise king among his people. His court was always crowded with people seeking justice and solutions to their problems. One day, from morning till noon, no one came to the court with a case. Just then, a man entered the court crying, and folding his hands before the king, pleaded, "Your Majesty, I seek justice." The king asked, "What is your problem?" The man replied, "Your Majesty, I am a merchant. I often travel to other towns for trade. I just returned yesterday and found that my gold coins were missing from my house. My wife says she knows nothing about it, and my servant claims he did not take them. Now, whom should I blame?" The king thought for a moment and then said, "Bring all those who come and go to your house to my court tomorrow." The next day the merchant arrived with his wife, servant, and a few neighbors. The king's minister handed each of them a wooden stick. The king then announced, "Among you, whoever is the thief will find their stick growing 1 handspan longer by tomorrow morning. You must all return with your sticks to the court tomorrow." The following day, everyone returned with their sticks. The king carefully examined them and then smiled because the decision had already been made. One of the sticks was actually shorter by 1 handspan. The person holding that stick was none other than the merchant's servant. The king said, "I had declared that the thief's stick would grow longer by 1 handspan. I said this because the thief, fearing exposure, would cut his stick shorter by 1 handspan, hoping that by morning it would grow back to its original size. But such a thing does not happen." Everyone was amazed at the king's wisdom. The merchant got his gold coins back, while the servant was sentenced to 3 years in prison.